A yogi can live while leaving his body an unimaginable vrtti. Bahirkalpita vrittir mahavideha tatah prakashavrinchya. 3.43. By samyama on the unimagined conception of external objects, Mahavideh, the veil over illumination is removed. The fluctuation or notion of the mind, when conceived as outside the body, is called discarnate fixity or videha dharana. If the dharana is caused by an external conception of the mind held within the body, it is called kalpita, imagined. If, however, the fixity of the mind is independent of the body and relates to a conception outside the body, it is known as akalpita, unimagined or actual. Among these, the fluctuations relating to Mahavidaya fixity must be practiced with the help of the imagined fixity. By such unimagined fixity, a yogam's mind can enter another body. Through this fixity, the veil over sentient buddhi, in the form of klesh, affliction, karma, action, and the threefold vipak, fruition, originating from rajas and tamas, is removed. Comparative chart kalpita versus akalpita fixity. Kalpita imagined fixity when the mind conceives external objects while still held within the body dependent on body, mind remains body bound, serves as preparatory practice, supports transition toward higher states of concentration. Akalpita unimagined fixity when the mind is independent of the body and relates to conception outside the body independent of body, mind transcends bodily limits, leads to Mahavideh, discarnate fixity, veil over illumination is removed, entry into another body becomes possible. Sthul Swarupa Sukshma Vyarthvatvasya Madbhujya. 3.44. By samyama on the grossness, sthul, the essential character, swarup, the subtlety, suksham, the inherence, envy, and the objectiveness, arthvatva, which are the five forms of the bhoot mastery over the bhoot, elements, is obtained, bhujay. Kayasampata dharman vighatischa. 3.45. From bhujay arise the attainment of animadi ashtsiddhi, the 8 superpowers, kayasampat, perfection of the body, and dharman vighat, the non-obstruction of bodily functions by the powers of the elements. Ashtsiddhi, 8 superpowers. 1. Anima, to become as minute as an atom. 2. Mahima, to grow into an illimitable size. 3. Laghima, to become weightless. 4. Garima, to become immensely heavy. 5. Prapti, the power of obtaining anything and everything. 6. Prakamya, irresistible willpower, to attain anything or anyone merely by wish. 7. Vashisht, the power of subjugating anyone and anything. 8. Ishtva, supremacy over everything.